Most coins are on red today. Almost coins are trading on red. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, XRP. Most of them are dropping highly, almost 4%, not even 1 point. But C Network, as of the time of recording this, is still gaining 11.6%. Despite the crypto industry in general are expressing hot drop in price, hot bearish, long bearish, and long trend. And right now the coin says no, I will remain on bullish. So C Network right now is still trading with a 11.61% increase within the past 24 hours. This is good for a coin. This is a signal. This shows that this coin is definitely going to rise in the long run. So I believe I want this coin to continue, maybe continuing this way, increasing 10% every day or 5% every day, might still end up reaching about 300 to 400% in 1 month. Imagine investing a little money and you are cashing out profit already. This will help you to recover some other crypto coins that you must have lost some few cash. So at the time of recording this, I'm going to let you know that C Network is standing firm, standing strong, increasing by over 11%, whereby most coins are still there trading with a bearish trading on red. So C Network, they've really done well. C Network they really planned themselves well. Yes, this launching of this coin have really helped the coin to really increase, and they launched it at a particular time that they know this is going to help. I mean, they really give that timing. Just the first 3-5 hours, already 2,000%. And this is good. They already created, discussed with different crypto exchange for the listening. They make sure that everything was on ground, and they also made sure that the social media everywhere was on ground for announcement. And immediately they launched it, this price started pumping. This is a good plan, and I believe that they will have more further plans that will help to see the coin keep on rising and keep on pumping. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Remember, this is not a financial advice, and kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.